Hey guys, so Apple today has officially launched the brand new Beats Solo 4. You can pick one up as of today, and I wanted to share with you guys the brand new colors available for the Beats Solo lineup. As you can see right here, I want to unbox all three new colors, share the new design, share some details in regards to the new headphones. You can pick one up today, by the way, at your local Apple store. We have the Slate Blue, Cloud Pink, and the Matte Black. So let's start off with the Slate Blue, which I really like this new color. Let's go ahead and set this one aside here, and let's start with the blue. There it is. It looks very nice. The packaging, you have the bead branding on each side. On the back, you have some details of the product itself. I love that blue. Now, in order to unbox it, very simple experience. You just pull on this tab here. Now, something cool that I noticed right away is that on the actual packaging, you get the beats sort of engraved into the package, which is kind of cool to see. Obviously, we get greeted with the actual beats carrying case. As you can see right there, the beats are inside. The case has the branding, here the logo. We also have this sort of carrying strap on the top and the zipper to open up. And inside here, we also get some instruction manuals. We're going to set that aside, and let's take a look at the actual products, the actual beats right there. As you can see, that color looks very nice in my opinion, and obviously classic beats. As you can see right there, they look very nice. You have the click here, which is for your controls and things like that. Before we get to that, let's see what's happening inside of here, because we have the carrying case, as I mentioned, that comes with the beats, and here we have the actual cable for connecting the actual headphones. As you can see right there, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Really missed that from the actual iPhones themselves. So the Beats do have the headphone jack, as you can see right there. And we also have now USB-C as well, and we also get the cable for charging for USB-C, as you can see right there. So aside from that, inside of this case, you have these two pockets, as you can see, to put your cables in, and that's pretty much it for the case itself, which is honestly nice to have a case to carry them around. You can see here that the color looks very nice. There's sort of a rubber padding here on the top, which feels very good. We also have here the left ear, gives you right there the left and right. And you also have the number 4 there, which is engraved right there, so that you know you have the latest. And if you love Beats, you're going to love the Beats Solo 4. They sound basically the same as every other Beats product, I'm sure. Right here, we also have the pairing button for power and things of that nature. We also have USB-C. And as I mentioned, the headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter. So yeah, the Beats, of course, do support the headphone jack, and the iPhones do not. So they're going to be better compatible with Android devices that do feature the headphone jack. One thing to note is that these will be compatible with the new Android network Find My Device, and also, of course, compatible with Apple's Find My Network as well. So if you ever lose them, you'll be able to find them easily with the Find My Network on iPhone and Find My Devices on Android. So let's get to the actual Cloud Pink, because I know this one is a hot new color, and I really like this new pink color when I saw it. Again, same experience here. We're just going to get to the actual headphones so that you can see the colors. So let's go inside here. And that is the new pink. So this is Cloud Pink, so it's not going to be a pop, I guess, super Barbie pink. It's just going to be a light, sort of whitish pink, as you can see right there. It looks very nice. I actually like the colors, very subtle, and you can see there, we also have the number 4, stands for the Beats Solo 4, obviously. Same thing, USB-C. We also get a headphone jack. So let's go into the next, which is the Matte Black. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there really want to get the matte black version, so let's get into the actual packaging of the matte black color. So let's go in here, pull the tab, and take a look at the brand new Beats Solo 4 in matte black. So let's get in here. Okay, let's see the new matte black color. So if you ever own matte black or black headphones or black Beats, these are going to be obviously pretty identical. As you can see right there, the design looks amazing in black. Obviously, you get your clicker here. You also get the same branding here with the number 4, as you can see right there. And you get the same stuff, the pairing button, and you also get a USB-C, and you get the headphone jack. I really love the black ones as well. So all three colors look very nice in my opinion. Honestly, I feel like the blue would be my perfect fit or perfect color. But I'm sure the pink is going to be super popular, and obviously you can't go wrong with any of the black color Beats, as you can see right there. So these are going to be the brand new colors available for the Beats Solo 4. Now these all support spatial audio and dynamic head tracking, lossless audio via USB-C. Keep in mind, so USB-C supports lossless audio, 50 hours of battery life, and of course 3 new colors at $199 available as of today. Now a few things missing here, just so you know, there's no active noise cancellation or ear detection basically. So when you place them in your ears and take them off, it's not going to play imposter music as some AirPods do and things like that. So just keep that in mind. Those are two things not available here. But for $199, I think these Beats are a great deal. Let me know what you think in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this quick one, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.